Namaste everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are solving practice set 2.2 question number 1, sub question 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then please do like, share and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, then thanks for subscribing. Sub question 8 from question number 1. The quadratic equation is 3x square minus 2 root of x plus 2 equals to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 3. Therefore multiply this 3 with this 2. Therefore 3 into 2 is 6. We have to factorize this 6 in such a way that their multiplication of these factors will be 6, and the sum of this factor, that is the sum of these factors, must have to come the coefficient of x, that is minus 2 root of 6. Therefore sum of this factor must have to come minus 2 root of 6. Means we have to choose the factor of 6 in such a way that the multiplication of the factor must be 6 and the sum of those factors must be minus 2 root of 6. Here the factors of 6 are 3 into 2, but the sum is 5. Therefore these factors are not allowed. Root 6 into root 6, the multiplication of root 6 and root 6 is 6, but the sum of root 6 and root 6 is twice of root 6. Here we need minus 2 root 6. Therefore choose minus root of 6. This was first factor, and another factor as minus root of 6. When we multiply this minus root of 6 into minus root of 6, the multiplication of these factors are 6, and the sum of this minus root of 6 plus minus root of 6, what will be the sum of this? Minus root of 6 plus minus root of 6 means minus 2 times. So root of 6 means here the summation of minus root of 6 and minus root of 6 is minus 2 root of 6. Minus root of 6 and minus root of 6 are the convenient factor. Therefore minus root of 6 plus minus root of 6 equals to minus root of 6 plus minus root of 6 equals to minus root of 6 minus root of 6, that is minus 2 root of 6. Therefore minus 2 root of 6x can be written as this minus root of 6x minus root of 6x. Means here we can put the values of minus 2 root of 6, that is minus root of 6x minus root of 6x instead of minus 2 root of 6x. Therefore coming to the solution part, quadratic equation is therefore solution. Original solution starts from here. The solution part, write down the quadratic equation, that is 3x square minus 2 root 6 of x plus 2 equals to 0. This quadratic equation 3x square, as it is minus 2 root of 6x, can be written as this minus root 6 of x minus root 6 of x plus 2 equals to 0. Here the factor, that is 3x square, can be written as root of 3 into root of 3, that is 3 into x square, can be written as x into x. Here root of 6 can be written as 2 under root 2 into under root 3, that is under root of 6 into x. Here you can take root 3x as a common from both of these. If we take root 3 of x common from both terms, here root 3 of x is taken common. Therefore here remains only root 3 of x in first term minus root 2 remains in the second term, that is minus of root 2. Now here minus the factors of root 6 of x, that is root 2 into root 3 into x. The factors of 2 are root 2 into root 2, that is 2. Here take the common factor as root 2, means this root 2 and root 2. If we take this root 2 common, write down here root 2. Write down here root 2. If we take root 2 common, here remains root of 3x plus, means here we have taken minus, therefore this sign will be changed to minus, therefore write down here minus. We have taken root 2 outside, here this root 2 remains, means write down here root 2 equals to this 0. We get, now observe the equation, that is root 3 of x minus root 2 and root 3 x minus root 2 is common. By taking this common to outside, root 3x minus root 2, we have taken this common, here remains root 3x, this also has taken common, therefore here remains this only, means minus of root 2 equals to 0. Now here root 3x minus root 2 and root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0, therefore either this value, that is root 3 of x minus root 2 equals to 0, or this value, that is root 3 of x minus root 2 equals to 0. Root 3 of x minus root 2, that it will be root 3 of x will be equals to root of 2, therefore x will be root 2 divided by root 3. This may be the first factor, and here root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0, therefore it will be equals to root 2, root 3 of x will be equals to root of 2, therefore x will be equals to root 2 by root 3. Therefore we get the factors of this quadratic equation, that are, those are root 3 by 2, and another factor is also same, that is. Now coming to the 9th sub question of question number 1, that is 2m into m minus 24 equals to 50. We have to factorize this equation. Now here 2m into m, that is 2m into m minus this 2m will be also multiplied with 24 equals to 50. Now 2m into m, that will be 2m square minus 2m into 24, that will be minus of 48m equals to 50. Now here 2m square minus 48m, as it is, now this 50 will be shifted to left hand side and will become minus of 50 equals to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Now here the coefficient of m square is 2, therefore we have to multiply this 2 with minus of 50. Here we get 2 into minus of 50 equals to minus of 100. Now we have to factorize this minus of 100. Factorize this minus of 100 means we have to factorize this minus of 100 in such a way that the multiplication of these factors of this minus of 100 will be minus of 100, and the sum of these factors of this minus of 100 must have to come, that is the coefficient of m, which is minus of 48, means sum must be minus of 48. What will be the convenient factors of this minus of 100? If we take the factors of 100, that is 2 into 50, we have take the factors of minus of 100, that is minus of 100, that may be minus 2 into 50, or that may be minus 50 into 2. Both the answer of these are minus of 100, but the sum of this minus 2 plus 50, that is 48 plus 48, and the sum of this minus 50 plus 2, that will be the minus of 48, means it will be the convenient factor, that is minus 50 plus 2 equals to minus of 48. The sum is coming minus of 48, therefore this may be the convenient factor, therefore minus of 48m can be written as minus of 50, means this factor minus of 50m plus twice of m. It means that we can write down minus of 40m. The value of minus of 40m can be replaced by this value, that is minus 50m plus 2. Now coming to the solution part, now proceed from this here. Now write down this equation as it is, that is 2m square minus 48m minus 50 equals to 0. 2m square as it is minus 48m can be replaced by minus 50m plus 2m, that is write down here minus 50m plus this 2m minus of this will be 50 minus 50 as it is equals to 0. We get this quadratic, this form of the quadratic equation. Now here take 2m common from these both terms, means if we choose 2m common, here remains only m minus 25 because we have taken 2m common, plus 2 common from 2m minus 50. Therefore by taking 2 common, here remains only m minus as it is. If we taken 2 common from 50, here remains only 25 equals to 0. Now when we observe this equation, we see that this m minus 25 is common. Therefore by taking this m minus 25 outside, this m minus 25 we have taken common outside in bracket. When we choose m minus 25 outside, here remains only 2m, write down here 2m. When we taken m minus 25 outside from this, here only remains plus 2, write down here plus 2 equals to 0. Now here we get the equation in the form that is m minus 25 into 2m plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore either m minus 25 equals to 0 or the value of this, that is 2m plus 2 equals to 0. Here we get m equals to 25 minus 25 is been shifted to right hand side. Here 2m plus 2 equals to 0, therefore 2m will be equals to minus of 2, m will be equals to minus 2 by 2 equals to minus of 1. Therefore the solution of this quadratic equations are m equals to minus 25 and m equals to minus of 1. Question 1, sub question 10, that is 25m square equals to 9. We have to factorize this. Write down the solution part. In the solution part, write down the problem as it is, that is 25m square equals to 9. Therefore 25m square, now this we have to shift this 9 to the left hand side, it will become minus of 9 equals to 0. Now you can see that this 25 is the complete square of 5. Write down here 5 square, it means it is 25m square as it is minus this 9 is the complete square of 3. Write down here square of 3 equals to 0. Now here you can see that the 5 square and m square, which we can write as 5m whole square minus 3 square equals to 0. Now you can see that this is 5m square minus 3 square is in the form of, that is a square minus b square. You have to recall this formula, you have to use this formula. This formula is a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. Now this 5m square minus 3 square is in the form of a square minus b square. Now here 5m square minus 3 square, 5m square minus 3 square equals to, now here instead of a there is 5m and instead of b there is 3. Therefore put 5m instead of a and 3 instead of b, that is the factors of this will be 5m minus 3. Now here a is 5m and b is 3. Here 5m plus 3 means this is the factors of 5m square minus 3 square. You can write down 5m minus 3 into 5m plus 3 instead of this. Now here 5m square minus 3 square can be written as, that is 5m minus 3 into 5m plus 3 into 5m plus 3 equals to 0. It means that either the value of this 5m minus 3 equals to 0 or the value of 5m plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore 5m minus 3 equals to 0 or 5m plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore 5m will be equals to plus of 3, m will be equals to 3 by 5. 5m plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore 5m will be equals to minus 3. This 3 on changing side, it becomes minus of 3. M equals to minus 3 divided by 5, because this is in multiplication. On changing side it will be go to the division. Moving to the next question, that is question number 1, sub question 11, that is 7m square equals to 21m. We have to solve this 7m square equals to 21m. Now In the solution part, write down the problem as it is, that is 7m square equals to 21 of m. 7m square. Now change of side of 21m, it will become minus of 21m equals to 0. Now you can see that this 7m square minus 21 can be written as the 7 into 3, that is 21 into m equals to 0. Here the factors of 7m square is 7 into m means 7m square. Here you can see that this 7m is common in both the terms. By taking this 7m common, you can write 7m outside. Here remains m out of this 7m square. Write down here m minus as it is. When you take 7m common from this term, here only remains 3. Write down here 3 equals to 0. Now here we get 7m into m minus 3 equals to 0. It means that m into m minus 3 equals to 0 divided by 7, because this 7 is in multiplication. It unchanging side, it will be go to the division. Now it will be m into m minus 3 equals to 0 by 7, 0 by anything, that is 0. We get m equals to 0 or m minus 3 equals to 0. We get two values, that is m equals to 0 or m minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore m will be equals to plus of 3. These are the two values of m. Now moving to the next question, that is question 1 sub question 12, and which is the last question of this practice set 2.2. Now the last question is m square minus 11 equals to 0. Now write down in the solution part the question as it is, that is m square minus 11 equals to 0. Now here you can see that m square minus 11 can be written as 11 under root of 11 square equals to 0. Now the value of under root of 11 whole square, it means the value of this is 11. We have written in this under root form. Now you can see that this is also, you can use the formula, that is a square minus b square here. By using that formula which we have used earlier, here the same formula is used here. Now by using that formula, that is a square minus b square, that is a minus b, that means m minus root of 11 into m plus root of 11 equals to 0. Here we use the formula, that is a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. Here instead of a there is m, instead of b there is root of 11. Now here we get m minus root of 11 into m plus root of 11 equals to 0. It means that either m minus root of 11 equals to 0 or the value of m plus root of 11 equals to 0. It means that m will be equals to plus of root 2. On changing of side of this minus root of 11, it becomes plus root of 11, or here we get m plus root of 11 equals to 0. It means that m will be equals to minus of root of 11. On changing of this plus 11, on changing of side, this plus root of 11 will become minus root of 11. Here we get the two values of m, that is plus root of 11 and here the minus root of 11. In this way we have completed the practice set 2.2 of chapter quadratic equation. Then please do like, share and subscribe.